My name is Elfa. We did our GCP in Nestle, based in Switzerland. Nestle is a global consumer goods company. And our project was quite specific in the sense that it was dealing with the sustainable packaging division. If I had to group into three main courses that we used our skills in this GCP project was number one, management practice, number two, the strategy course, and number three, financial reporting and accounting course. I felt that management practice, this was very important in setting out how the team dynamics came into play, how we formed out the team charter at the start, and establishing what each team member wanted, what each team member seek to learn out of the experience, and what each team member was willing to give and dedicate in the rolling out of this project. I felt that the standout moment in our GCP was during the time where we proposed an approach that was slightly different to what they had envisioned at the start. And I felt that in this case, having people from an engineering background, from more functional background, from a consulting background, helped in suggesting an approach that made sense to the client. And the confidence that we had in proposing a new approach and the fact that they accepted our approach, I felt that that was the key moment for me. In our group, I felt that the first lesson learned was the importance of having an open communication, which we learned throughout management practice. Right? So during the start, when we established the team charter, we agreed that these were the things that we wanted to achieve, and more importantly, kept the team morale at a level that was necessary for us to perform well in order to deliver to the client. Having the understanding from the entire team that we wanted to deliver something good to the client and that we were willing to commit a lot of our resources, a lot of our time to delivering this outcome, I felt that this was very important in order to deliver the final outcome to the client. The way I feel that this GCP experience will help me in my future career is, I think, in two ways. Number one, in terms of team dynamics. Number two, in terms of being able to empathize to what the client wanted. So having that initial team dynamic and being able to form that team charter, if you will, I felt that's an important experience that I will carry on in my future career. And number two, in terms of being able to understand what the client wanted, I feel that it's important to be able to put yourself in the client's shoes and understand to see, what is it that they could realistically get from a certain consulting team,